Hello second years, welcome to maths class. So today we are here to discuss about the pattern of the question paper which you are going to get in final examination. So lot of rumors are going about the examinations, but don't follow the rumors. Government decided to conduct the exams conformly, conduct the exams in May as per the schedule only. Okay, so don't take the deviations, take the studies seriously. Actually, in offline classes, you are doing very nicely. So keep that spirit till the final exams. Okay, so girls, don't take any distraction, stay focused, right? Maths is nothing but practice, right? So keep on practicing maths. Okay, so come to the question. So already you know that in your question paper you are having 3 sections, right? So section A, section B, section C. So in section B, just like our previous year, we will have 10 very short answer questions, right? So you have to answer all questions here. So if you want to score the out of marks, you should not neglect each, and that means you cannot neglect any topic of these 2 marks questions. And actually this is golden opportunity to score out of marks. You know that maths is a scoring subject, so you can score out of marks, and these marks will remain with you forever in your life, right? This time you got opportunity also, 30% syllabus is reduced, and choice is increased, right? 10 out of 10 you have to answer 5 in short answers and long answers, and also you are having videos with you, right? So lot of opportunities, so try to score out of marks. If you get good marks, you will get the seat in a good college in degree. And once again I am saying, you are in a second year, suppose if any backlog is there, then you have to sit at home for 1 year. So be careful, don't waste the time, right? So concentrate on the studies, don't take any distractions. Okay, so now come to the very short answer question. So topic wise we are discussing, that means first question from which topic, second question from which topic. So first question will be from circles and second question also from circles. That means 2 questions you are going to get from circles. Already I said so many times to you, so whenever 2 questions are there, you have to practice lot of questions from that topic. So from the topic circles, you are having 2 marks questions, 2 questions. So you have to practice all the 2 marks questions from the circle. So then only you can answer 2 questions. One will be from the selected, one will be they can give from any corner of the topic. Okay, so next come to system of circles, next parabola, next hyperbola. So while dealing this parabola and hyperbola, you should be very careful. Small changes will be there in the formulae, right? Confusion will be there, so practice the formulas carefully. So next come to integrals, right? 6th question will be from integrals, 7th question also from integrals. That means from integrals we are going to get 2 questions again, right? So from circles 2 questions, from integrals 2 questions. So you have to practice all the 2 marks questions from integrals also, not only selected. Next question is definite integrals. Next question is differential equations. So if you observe here, we are having definite 8th and 9th. Again from definite integrals, 2 questions from definite integrals, right? And 2 questions from integrals, right? 2 questions from circles we are having. So in which topic we are having 2 marks questions? Those topics you have to practice all the 2 marks questions. Actually here in parabola, hyperbola, that means from the topics which we are getting single question, selected are enough. But from some topics we are getting 2 questions. In those you practice all the 2 marks questions. Okay, so concentrate on circles, integrals and definite integrals. Give much attention for 2 marks questions of these topics. Now come to this section B. So already in first year I explained to you, you have to write the very short answers together and long answers together, right. So first start with the very short answer. Suppose if you are not getting any 2 questions and if you have some confusion on those questions, leave some place for those questions, right. You go to the short answer questions, and this year in short answer question we got a lot of choice, right. Short answer question, long answer question, 10 will be given, we have to answer 5. So here you should be very careful, select the questions wisely which are very simple, whose solutions are simple, small, select those questions and present nicely. Okay, so observe here, if topic wise again if we discuss, your question will be in short answer, one question will be circles, another question again will be circles. That means from circles we are having 2 questions, right. Next system of circles, and next question, fourth one is ellipse, and fifth one again from the ellipse. So from ellipse you are having 2 questions, right. Next you are having hyperbola, right. Next your 7th and 8th are from integrals. See, definite integrals, and this one definite integrals, right, continuation of integrals. So your 7th and 8th are from definite integrals. So from definite integrals also 2 questions, right. So next it is differential equation and differential. 19th is a differential equation and 20 is also differential equation. So from differential equation you are having 2 4 marks questions. So if you are perfect with these topics, see, circles 2 4 marks questions, ellipse 2 marks questions, and definite integrals 2 marks questions, and differential equations 2 marks questions. So 8 questions you can answer if you are perfect, right. So actually we have to answer 5. So after getting the question paper, take one pencil and select which questions you have to answer, you want to answer. So read the question thoroughly. After getting the question paper, don't be in a hurry to write the solutions. First read the question paper 2-3 times, then take pencil and from section B and from section C you select the questions which you want to write, right. Select the questions whose solutions are simple and small, right. If 2 questions are there, one is lengthy, one is small, but marks are same, means you prefer the small question only. Okay. So this is about your second section, that is section B. 10 will be given, you have to answer 5. Select the questions wisely. Now come to your long questions, right. So if we take a long questions, here also lot of choice is there. So 10 questions we will get it, we have to answer 5 only. So select the questions wisely again with this section. Also if you observe, your first question will be circles, we are discussing about the long questions, and the second also circles, and the third also circles. So you are having 3 long questions from the circles itself. Actually circles we are having this year weightage is 33 marks, and for integrals we are having 25 marks. Okay. So if you observe circle, first question from the circle, second question from the circle, third question from the circle. Next we are having system of circles, long question from system of circles. Next is parabola, and observe this question, right. This one is 6th question is integrals, and 7th question is integrals, and 8th also integrals. Totally we are having 3 questions from integrals. Okay. So practice circles and integrals perfectly. See how much weightage is there for circles and integrals. If you concentrate circles, system of circles will be very easy. If you concentrate on integrals, definite integrals, differential equations are also very easy. Okay, so next question is from definite integrals, and the last question will be from your differential equations. So these are the topic wise questions you can get in your final paper. So be cool after getting the question paper, don't be in a hurry, right? So read the question paper thoroughly 2-3 times. Then take the pencil and go to section B and section C. Select the questions wisely, whose solutions are simple and small. Okay, and for 2 marks questions, no choice. So attempt all the questions. Suppose if you are not getting any 2 questions in the beginning, leave the place. But after completing the entire questions, you go back to those 2 questions and attempt. We have gone through all the topics, so you are having knowledge of all the topics. So try to write something about the formula, about the concept of that topic. Definitely you will get some marks, but don't skip any 2 marks question, right? So from this topic, if you want to score out of marks, this section is very crucial. You have to concentrate. Actually in that section we are having lot of choice, but here choice is not there. So especially with the circles, integrals, definite integrals, you have to solve all the 2 marks questions from these 3 topics. So already we practiced, right? In a offline class we practiced a lot of problems. So keep that spirit till the final examination. Okay, so don't write extras in the beginning. So first you complete all the very short answers, all the short answers, all the long questions. Once you complete, you again go and check the solutions 2-3 times. Then also if time is there, then you write your extra questions. Okay, so present the paper nicely. Okay, so keep on practicing. So many rumors are going on, don't follow the rumors, right? So this result will give bright future for you, so that you can get seat in a good degree college, right? So that your future will be good. So studies will give identity and value to your life. Okay, so wishing you good luck to girls. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.